Hey, how's it going here? This is Ari. I just wanted to give my review for a new product called Kaptiwa, or Kaptiwa, however you pronounce it. One of those two is right. But anyways, what is Kaptiwa exactly? If you are watching this video, it probably means you are doing a bit of research on this new service, and you're wondering whether or not it could help you in your business. So to give a brief description on what Kaptiwa is, it is a tool that allows you to have pretty much your own video hosting platform. So much like how, you have, like say like a website buildup or a blog, you set up a domain and then, that domain, belongs to you. You could then, put up, blog posts and then you could have your visitors, they could, read your blog post and they could see what it is you're putting out there. So this is kind of like that, except it is primarily for hosting video related content. And the thing is, like, if you are looking to build a business online, YouTube is a really great platform because, that's a site that pretty much everyone is familiar with, and, you know, millions of people go on YouTube every single day. But the downside to, building a brand on YouTube and, having your visitors, just watching your videos on there is YouTube will often try and keep them on their platform by recommending them other videos. And oftentimes they will recommend videos that are similar to yours, but from other affiliates or, other business owners that, could be, competitors to you. And this is something that you really don't want. You really want your visitors to be focused on your content only. Um, and this is really just to help with, building that trust factor and just having, people really, they see what it is you post, and then you could then, if you want to have them take a specific action, they're much more likely to do that if they are just staying on your videos. So that's really what Kaptiwa is really all about. It's really for helping you have your own video hosting platform and, pretty much having it to where you could have much more flexibility in terms of the videos you put up. And this also allows you to track a lot of metrics such as, the amount of time your visitors have watched your video. It shows, where the visitors are coming in from. You could also track, the device they're using, um, all that type of stuff. And then you could choose to target that specific audience if you want to using this platform. So that's really a huge benefit to using a service like Captiva over say like YouTube. So I'm going to give my demonstration and full walkthrough as to how Captiva works, and then I will give my recommendation at the end as to whether or not you want to get into this program here and then see if it could help you in your business. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Captiva here, and you could upload a video. So I'm going to hit that. I'm going to hit upload video, and then it'll show the videos that I already have up, and then you could choose to upload a new video here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually hit new video, and how this works is you could just select one of the projects that you already created. So in my case, I'm just going to hit, testing 1 2 3. I'm going to let that load up, and then from here it'll give you, your 3 steps. So you could upload your video that you have, and then it will let you customize it, and then you can get your embed code. So the nice thing about this is that when you upload your video, and I'm actually not going to really go through the full uploading process because I don't want to, sit and have to wait for it to upload. But what I'll do is I'll go to one of the videos that I already have up. So in here, I will go to Manage, and then we have one of the videos that I uploaded here. So what I'll do is I'll go to the actual video page by clicking this. And to give you a bit of a an idea of what this really looks like when you have it uploaded, is it'll have, your video here that you could play, and then, visitors that come here, they could, they could watch your video, and, uh, it shows how many plays it's gotten. This is how many views, comments, of course, and they could choose to like, dislike your video. Then they could also share your video. So then here you have your comments section that you could leave. And then also you could choose to, let me see if I could find it. There is an option here that it allows you to have like kind of like a description, but it would be you would add it through the editing part here, and then you could have them, if you want, you could have them go to either opt into a form, or you could have them go to a specific link that you want them to visit. But this is a video that I made just for an example. When you click on this, well, let me pause that. Okay, so that's a video that I made there just as an example. And the benefit to using this actually is that you could, much like with, YouTube and Vimeo and Wistia, you can choose to embed this on pretty much any page you want. So if you're using, say, like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages, you have, your, or, if you have like a website, or it could be Shopify, you have like, an email list built up, and, you're sending them to watch your video, either to a sales page or to your website. You could have one of these videos embedded on your site. And then in addition to that, you could pretty much track, who it is that is watching your video. You could track the likes. So like it shows like the total views here, total plays. And then you've even got your conversion rate here and engagement rate. So that is pretty cool that they have that. Then you could also view like the technology if it wants to load up here. It's like it's got all the different devices, Android, Macintosh, Windows, Linux, iOS, and then it allows you to see the location that people are watching from. So like United States, as you can see, that was myself actually. I'm in the U.S. But if someone, say from like the UK or Sweden, clicked on my video, it would then show the data for those specific countries as well. So all in all, it's a really great platform to use if you are looking to really build up that trust factor. And a few other things you could actually do actually. Let me see if I can go back into videos. Let's see here. Manage. So a few things you could do here is you could pretty much customize your video. So when you upload a video, you can give it a title if you want. Amazon affiliate marketing, your description, and then you could add a few tags to help it get found easier. This really helps with ranking. If you could target specific keywords that people are really looking for, that have low competition, that helps with getting your videos ranked. Then of course you could choose the category it's in. In my case, I chose internet marketing, but you could choose whichever category you feel best fits your video. And then you can customize your video. So when I go into here, you could choose the.
Hey, how's it going? This is
I'm going to
Ari
pause
here.
that real quick.
Here to.
Okay, you could choose the video player. So this allows you to pretty much customize it. You've got the player logo that you want. So there's a lot of things you could really do with this. You could choose the logo link if you want, and it's got a whole bunch of things. So like for instance, if you wanted to say remove the the settings button, you could actually do that. By checking off of one of these. You got the play bar if you want. You could remove this off if you want. So it gives it really a lot of flexibility and customization that you could do with this. You could set up an advertisement. I'm going to hit yes for a minute here. So you could set up an ad name, And there's really a lot you could do with this video. You could do SEO as well. So this is really to help it with getting ranked with SEO. You've got replace video, a whole bunch of stuff that you could really do, with this platform. It's a really great platform to use if you are looking to, you know, really build up your brand, and then of course, deliver content to your specific audience. So that is pretty much my review of Kaptiwa. That's pretty much what Kaptiwa. That's pretty much how it works. And if you are looking to, get Kaptiwa and you feel that it could really benefit your business, I will have a link down in the description below. You can go there, and that's going to take you to this page here. And this will have the 3 different plans that you could do. So you could choose to go monthly. And, I'm not going to bore you and just read all this. If you want, you could just, look through all the features that each membership plan lists. But, you got one for a monthly payment of $25. You got a one-time payment of $49, or you could do the one-time payment of $97. The $97 package obviously has the most features in here, and that's what most people tend to go with. They also have a discount code here for limited time, so if you manage to get it, quickly enough, you could of course use that. But that's pretty much what Kaptiwa is in a nutshell. So hopefully you got value out of this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to let me know. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and take care.